In this clip, I'm going to talk to you about the various ways that you can use to mount your blank on the lathe. These are face plates. Face plates are used to secure the bowl blank to the lathe. It's mounted with square head sheet metal screws, and these are 1 1/4 inch. And sheet metal screws are good because you don't have to create pilot holes when you're mounting the faceplate on the lathe. And once the faceplate is mounted, it just screws onto the spindle like that. Other ways of holding the blank are to hold it between centers. And for that, I'll use a 2-prong drive spur with a number 2 Morse taper. And the Morse taper refers to the size of this arbor, which fits into the headstock spindle, and then the live center in the tailstock, and the blank is held between centers like this. And a third way to hold your material is to use a woodworm screw. This is a woodworm screw that is drilled into your bowl blank and then mounted with the woodworm screw being held in a 4-jaw scroll chuck. And then on this end, it screws onto the spindle on the headstock.